You tired of going to school, you tired of going to work, and the folks waving on you, they drowning you, bro. Man, have no fear. Your boy Swag Drizzle is back, and I'm here for you, man. I'm finna show you how to pipe your waves up. You can drown some of you too, you feel me? What? Stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show you how to pipe up. Hey, yeah, we piped up. Hey, hey.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your what? Swag Drizzle, man. Hey, look, man. In this video, I'm talking straight to the beginners, man. If you already got waves, I don't know about your business right now. But yo, for right now, I'm talking straight to the beginners though, man. And I don't want you to make the mistakes that I made, you feel me? So, let's get into it, man. Alright, so before I give you this step-by-step direction, man, of course I want to show you my way so you don't think I'm just out here capping on you.
Stop the cap.
Think I'm out here with a ball here capping you down, trying to teach you how to get wave. Come on now. You know I ain't gonna do you like that, but let me show you what I'm working with, man. Let me show you what the wave looking like for a second. Woo! Show you what the wave looking like for a second. Come on now. Now that you know I'm waving, man, let me give you the game. Let me give you the sauce. Alright, so now that y'all know I ain't out here just with a ball head trying to cap you down, man. Hey, look, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna give you the sauce. First thing first, before you do anything about waving, you need to know what kind of pattern you're trying to achieve. Whether it's 360s, 540s, 360 with the swirl, 720s, 180s if you just want them on the top. You need to know what your ultimate goal is when it comes down to getting waves, man. That's how you'll know how to brush your hair, you feel me? So once you got in your head what kind of pattern you're trying to achieve, depending on your texture, you need to cut it down to a 2 or 1.5. If you got a more straighter, add about two more guards to that, you feel me? So if you got like mixed people type, get like a 3 or a 4 cut down, you feel me, to start your wave journey. But if you got a texture like mine, a 1.5 or a 2 will get you right. So once you cut your hair down, man, you need to get some kind of moisturizer or oil or something like that to make your hair more manageable. So if you've been rocking with me for a little while, man, you know I like my oils, man. Anything from black castor oil with the peppermint in it, coconut, I like the coconut oil, grapeseed oil, that's just the name, a couple of, but any kind of oil, you really can't go wrong. Oils are good for any kind of texture. Do not make a mistake like I did when I first started, going to Walmart and getting racking up on wave grease. Don't do it, you don't need it. If you seen my video, I went from nothing to something. During that process, man, during them 2 months, I was brushing, only using oils, you feel me? I think either coconut or the castor. 9 times out of 10 it was castor oil. Get you a good oil that you feel like will work good with your texture. So once you get your oil, now you need a brush, man. If you don't have all that much money to get started with, just get you a medium brush. I highly recommend a medium brush. But if you have a little money you can finesse with, get you a soft brush, medium brush, and like a medium hard brush. I don't really recommend a hard brush because me, I really don't woof that long. I woof about 4 weeks to 6 weeks, something like that, you feel me? I really don't woof too long no more. I would recommend a soft brush, medium brush, like a medium soft, and a medium hard brush. Everything I'm talking about, I'll leave the link down below so y'all can tap in and get that. Once you get your brush, you also want to get one more thing. I don't want y'all to be like me and just be out here freestyling and don't know what you're doing, you feel me? You need a mirror, a handheld mirror. If you just want 180s, you really don't need the handheld mirror. If you just want them on the top, you can do that, just looking in the mirror yourself, you feel me? But if you want them all the way around your head, get you a handheld mirror, man. It ain't nothing to pick up one of these, you feel me? Now you on the right track. Don't start out like me, man. I was struggling. You feel me? I had to learn this. So you got your brush, you got your oil, your handheld mirror. Now you need a durag, man. Stop playing. You need a dewy, man. I recommend a black one. If you want to have a little more swag to it, you feel me? Get you some online. but you can pick up these from Walmart, any local beauty supply store. Make sure you get the silky satin type material like polyester. You don't want no cotton. So now you got everything you need. That's all you need for the beginner kit. It's time to put in that work. Now you feel me? You cut your hair down. Now it's time to put in that work. You already know what wave pattern you want. I recommend you starting out with a wash and style. You feel me? I'll link one of my wash and style videos so y'all can check it out. But that pretty much you washing your hair.
And we're gonna apply it with the grain, you feel me? We do not wanna go against that grain because they're gonna mess that mold up. Alright, since everything going kosher, we're gonna grab a brush and get brushing.
Washing it 2 times, and the last time you brush your hair down in your desired pattern.
As a beginner, we doing everything with the grain.
Put your dewy on.
Now we're gonna throw that durag on top of that. Straight like that.
Rinse the shampoo out your head.
Now that you ragged up, you wanna rinse with cold water. And dry your hair off, pat dry, you feel me? Don't do nothing strain. Pat it dry.
And let your hair dry. They're gonna pop your wave journey off. And if you follow this guide step by step, man, by this time right now, when you take out that do-rag, you should have ripples, not waves. You know, waves are a little stretched out, but you should have a little ripples. And you do this consistently over the next 2 months, boy, thank me later, you feel me? Thank me later. Tap in.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on